Okay, in vlog 3, what we'll be doing is finding the numbers at minus to 3. Okay. We're going to be doing actually what we did yesterday. So I make my division swirl, and I start with 1. Remember, I got to minus them so they get 3. 18 divided by 1 is 18. Now, I don't worry about 3 being negative until I actually find the numbers at minus to just 3. I don't worry about negatives and positives when doing this thing. Okay? 18 divided by 2 is 9. So you got 2, 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. I need to get 3. Okay? By the way, cross them out as you go on. And 3. 18 divided by 3. Okay, I got 6. Now I take 6 minus 3. Always start with the bigger number. 6 minus 3. I got 3. Okay? So I circle the numbers. Okay, that's what I'm doing here is finding the numbers. Okay, division swirl, it's got to be 11. So 1 and 30. 30 plus 1 is not 11, though. You're adding them now. 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 plus 2 is not 11. 3. 30 divided by 3. 10. Okay. 10 minus 3 is not 11. It's 7. 4 is a... Well, I'll show you what 30 divided by 4 is. It's a decimal. Okay. And then 30. Think if you have $30 and put in each and gave it, if you have 5 people to give $30 to, how much would each person get? You find that by taking 30 divided by 5. That's 6. Now add those. 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay, division swirl. 1 and 28. Now minus them. 28 minus 1 is not 3. 28 divided by 2, 14. Minus them. I got to get 3. That is not 3. 3. Decimal, so I don't put it. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Now I minus them. 7 minus 4. That is 3. Good. Okay, 15. Division swirl. 1. 15. Okay, minus them. 15 minus 1 is not 2. 2. Decimal, so I don't put 2. 3. Got 5. If I take 5 minus 3, that is 2. No, good, found it. Okay, 1. Okay. Division. If you get to the point where you don't need that because you know it, that's fine. 10 divided by 1 is 10. Okay, 10 plus 1 is not 7. I'm adding now. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7. Got it. Okay, next one. 1. 3 divided by 1. Well, that's 3. Now, you can't keep going because if I add 3 plus 1, that's 4, man. Okay? So I have it right there. Okay, then 1, 24. Divide. You get that through division. Okay, now I'm minusing 24 minus 1. Okay, that is not 5. 2. 12. 12 minus 2, is that 5? Nope. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. 36. Okay. So 1. 36 divided by 1 is 36. 36 plus 1 is not 13. Think about it. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Now I add the 2. 18 plus 2 is 20. It's got to be 13. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Remember, we don't want 15. We want 13. 36 divided by 4 is 9. And let's add 9 and 4. 13. Okay. Boom. Okay, 1. 20 divided by 1 is it's always the number. Now we minus 20 and 1. Is 20 minus 1 equal to 1? No. 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay, is 10 minus 2 going to be equal to 1? No, it is not. 3 is a decimal. And then 4. $20 divided amongst 4 people. How much dollars does each person get? They get 5. Okay, now minus. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, that. Okay, divided by 1. 14 divided by 1 is 14, but it's got a minus. 14 minus 1 is 13. I'm not looking for 13. 7. 7 minus 2. I got 7. I'm going to take away 2, and that's 5. Got it. Okay, 145. We got to get 14. That's a 14 right there. 45 plus 1 is not that. 2 is a decimal. 45 divided by 3 is 15. Okay, 15 plus 3. 18. I'm looking for 14. Oh, sorry, I should have 2 and cross it out. 4. That's why I crossed it out. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of the game here. So 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. Now I add 9 plus 5. Okay, that's 14. I found it. Okay, 42. 1 and 42. That's not 13. When you add, you're adding them. 2. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 21 plus 2 is not 13. Okay. 14. Okay. 14 plus 3 is 17. I need 13. 4. 42 divided by 4 is a decimal. 42 divided by 5 is a decimal. Now let's try 6. Okay. 42 divided by 6 is 7. So I put 7, and let's add 7 plus 6. 13. Okay, I have all my numbers. Now what do I do with those? Next thing.